Okay, now I have this top thread. I'm keeping it pulled. Okay, then I'm going to go into that and pull the other thread. Just it is not done yet. Let's check the bobbin. Remove the bobbin. Okay, it should come from the left side bobbin thread. You put it inside this screw and out of this screw. Okay, then hold this thread, top thread, in your hand and put the, see, the thread has come out. Can you see the other thread here? It has come out from inside. Now push both these threads back side. This and this one. This one you have to push now. For that you'll take scissors and we'll push it. See? Now we have two threads at the back. One small one, one big one. Okay? So we have done the threading.